Since the beginning of January, blood donations have been down 15% at the American Red Cross. The drop is attributed to inclement weather and the seasonal flu epidemic. January also happens to be National Blood Donor Month. Our own Ashley Julier stopped by the area Red Cross Blood Donation Center in Needham to speak with Jacolia Ellis, a spokesperson for the Red Cross, to learn more about donating blood.
Every 2 seconds, someone in America needs blood. And if it was your family member or even yourself that found yourself in an emergency, you would want that blood to be available. Blood is oftentimes needed by cancer patients during their chemotherapy treatment, and sometimes it's small children who have an anemia or disorder that need that blood to literally keep them alive. We've met car accident victims who have needed more than 100 units of blood just from a car accident. In April 2013, the Red Cross provided more than 600 blood products to help Boston Marathon bombing victims. And a lot of those survivors of the bombing are alive today because of blood products and because people rolled up their sleeves to help others.
If you want to help those in need of blood, there are a couple ways to donate.
A lot of our donors come in and donate a unit of blood, and that can be broken down into 3 products: plasma, platelets, as well as red cells. Oftentimes trauma victims need those red cells and cancer patients need those platelets. And burn victims and heart transplant patients will need the plasma. So you can come in and give a unit of blood. You can also give a direct platelet donation. Platelets have a shelf life of 5 days, and cancer patients need them oftentimes with their chemotherapy treatment. So platelets, our platelet donors, some of them are behind me right now, a lot of them come in every 2 weeks, up to 24 times a year, and they're giving their platelets but getting their plasma and red cells back. And then you can give a double red cell donation, which is essentially doubling your impact and giving 2 units of red cells at once.
For the past 8 years, the American Red Cross has partnered with Dunkin Donuts to celebrate National Blood Donor Month with the Dunkin Donors Make a Difference campaign.
All donors who come in and give blood in Massachusetts will get a $5 Dunkin Donor card, and they can use that to get a coffee, a bagel, whatever it is that they like, and it's just our way of saying thank you for coming out and giving blood. They have helped us collect 562,000 blood and platelet donations in those 7 years. So we're just so proud of them, and this is our 8th year.
To schedule an appointment to donate blood, you can use the free American Red Cross Blood Donor app, call 1-800-RED-CROSS, or go to redcrossblood.org.
It's pretty much a painless process. It's a pinch of pain, but it pales in comparison to the lives you're helping save. So you'll come in, you want to bring positive identification with you, picture ID, and make sure that you're feeling healthy, you've had something to eat that day, and that you're hydrated. And essentially we will give you a mini physical to make sure you're eligible to give blood, and then the actual blood donation itself takes about 5 to 10 minutes. And then we invite you to have cookies, juice, and celebrate the fact that you help save lives.
For the Needham Channel News, I'm Ashley Julier.